Today we're at our listing on Clyde Hill, and normally we come to you at the beginning of the listing when we first bring it on the market, but this house sold so quickly we didn't even have time to do that. Part of the reason it sold so quickly is all of the work that was done before we brought it on the market. So today we want to kind of take you through that process and explain how our team can really help you as a seller streamline everything and make it as stress-free as possible. When we first met with the seller, we could tell that they really did need a lot of help and support through this process, and they needed someone to just come in and take things over. So we really started at square one. How could we help them divide up the things that were in the house and that needed to go to different family members, take things to donation, and then we move into the service provider phase where we are helping figure out the best window washer and the carpet cleaner and even handyman work. We're working with vendors that we have worked with for 10, 15, 20 years. We've been doing this so long that we have really deep, trusted relationships with some of the best service providers in the area. And then of course the final phase before coming on the market is the staging. So once the house is cleared and all the service work has been done, the scene is really set for that staging process to happen. The key with staging today is to provide really fresh, clean, and neutral interiors so that the buyer can really envision their own personal style in that space. We've been doing complimentary staging for a long time. We have a number of warehouses, we have great items, and we really enjoy that part of the process. As you can see, the staging really made a difference. It transformed this house and it made the sale process so easy for the client, and they got a great result. We would love to tell you about the Team Foster difference and what really sets us apart. So reach out to us, DM us, or give us a call, and Terry and I would love to meet with you.